Hello friends, Terraform with AWS. So this is the new sections over we starting over here, and in this section we are basically create the AWS resources through Terraform script. Different AWS resources we will create from here, and we will start the first resource that VPC, that virtual private network, and how to create VPC and what is VPC, that we'll see in this section. Let's start. So how to create AWS VPC? So first, what is AWS VPC? VPC is virtual data center in the cloud. So it will create the virtual data center in the cloud. Amazon virtual private cloud is commercial cloud computing service that provide users a virtual cloud private cloud by provisioning a logical isolation section of AWS Web Services Cloud. So basically, VPC will be create in AWS console, where you will basically differentiate the isolation of logically of AWS different services. So you can deploy your instance in VPC, and you can make the different VPC for the isolation of your structure and architecture. So basically, what can VPC can do? VPC using the we can launch the instance into subnet of your choosing. You can create the multiple subnets in a VPC, where you can make the sum of subnets as a private or sum of subnet as a public. You can map your subnet to the uh, gateway, net gateway, where you can mapping the can make the public traffic go through the net gateway or elastic IP. You can configure a route table between the different subnets for communication between a subnet, create internet gateway and attach them to the subnet. You can create the internet gateway, and for specific subnet I can map your subnet to the internet gateway for making the traffic in the global. Security control of your AWS, you can configure ACL over here for the security control of AWS resources. Instance security group you can create from the VPC console. Security group, as the security group will be used for the inside and outside traffic control. You can make a list. Subnet network access control, ACL. So ACL will be works on the network side, where you can control the traffic through the network subnets. So VPC, on VPC you can basically default VPC by default created with the all accounts, and you can use that default VPC to launch your instance. um, till now we have used in our section, in our demos, the default VPC till now, and we will create the new VPC in the coming section. An instance launch in a VPC cannot communicate to the other instance and launch in different VPC with the private IP. That can be possible with the public IP, but it's not recommended. VPC peering will be used to communicate into different VPC. So you should use VPC peering for the communication between two VPC. So this is the VPC. How, what is VPC, what kind of service VPC provide, and what is the core things of VPC. Next section we will see the how to create VPC and what is different component should be created in VPC through the Terraform.